Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create your own meme coin and immediately create a rug pull. Look at this phantom wallet, $55,000, all made from deving meme coins. No luck, no guessing, just deving the right way. Stick around and I'll break it all down for you guys in today's. At this moment, this method is extremely profitable, but this is not financial advice. I can't say how long it'll work, but right now, traders are rushing to buy these kinds of tokens the moment they appear. The crypto and meme coins trading is popular again, and with it, new ways to make serious gains are emerging. Today I'm going to show you one of the most promising strategies out there, one that's still flying under the radar. Checking out tokenclub.fun today, and look, if you're still paying gatekeeper fees to launch, you're essentially donating your bags. This is the ultimate cheat code. It literally carries the whole squad. Automated swaps and liquidity mean you aren't out here fighting for your life with the tech. It's just all gas, no brakes. Don't blink or you'll miss the entry. I'm showing you the exact blueprint to get your coin live and absolutely printing. Step 1, link that wallet. I'm running Solflare for that elite speed, but use whatever. It even plays nice with Binance. Now the sauce. The name has to be a total vibe if you want this to moon. We're locking in National Football League for the name and NFL for symbol. Drop your logo here and get yours from Gemini. And yo, let's get it. Next up, we can add a description here. And we can toss our socials in if you're trying to build a cult, but I'm skipping the yap to stay on the fast track. Next up, the tokenomics, already cracked. We're just gonna full send it. We are literally built different. I am giving you a pro tip. Do not sleep on revoke authorities. Check both those boxes right now. It's a total power move. It proves you aren't out here trying to rug the squad, and that instant trust is the only way to get the whales to ape in without fear. In advanced features, you could link an influencer's wallet for the infinite clout, but we're keeping it low-key and lethal today.
Stop yapping and start cooking. Mash that create token button and speed run those wallet pop-ups like a pro. If a warning sign flashes, ignore the noise because your wallet is fresh out of the box. Hit accept and boom, we're officially on chain. Snag that token address, keep it tucked, and just like that, motion secured. Next move, we gotta give this thing legs so the crowd can actually start pumping it. Slide over to the liquidity manager and hit Initialize Pool. Since the app already sees our bag, just max out that base amount to 100%. We're essentially letting the whole supply hit the open market to see what it does. For the SOL side, we're just tossing in some dust, 0.01 SOL. Hit Initialize Pool, wait a second, and hit Approve. And boom, we're in the game. We can see the coin on the charts right now. Next, hit More Tools and the Launch Promo Hub. That'll take us to Coinface.fun to get eyes on the project. Let's move. We are at Coinface.fun, total game changer, one of the best meme coin promoter I have ever seen. If you want to grow your project fast, you seriously need to see this. It handles the entire setup for you, everything from getting our coin out there to building a website, and you don't need to know a single line of code. My own setup is already running and doing great. If you need some help with the marketing part, just click the link in the top right. It's super easy to use and honestly, pretty hard to mess up. Promotion is just the start. Volume is what keeps the engine humming. If you want that massive market cap, you need to be cooking 24/7. Head to tokenclub.fun, find More Tools, and fire up the volume bot. Just click on the Open Volume Engine button, hook the wallet, paste the coin address, and let the bot do the heavy lifting. We're skipping Ghost Protocol because I haven't marketed my pre-launched coin, and I am going straight for Precision Override because we need that instant heat. I'm dropping a 2.5 SOL bag into this. If you're trying to see those green candles, you can go with more than 2.5 SOL. Don't freak out. This is how you will break the algorithm. 1,125 transactions sent straight to the boards to get you trending everywhere. Hit Initiate Sequence, confirm it in your wallet, and watch the show. Those green candles are going to start flooding the chart before you can even refresh the page. Let's go and check the live results. I am excited to see the results. Yo, take a massive look at National Football League on the charts right now. The buy-side pressure is absolutely cracked. The volume is insane, and we're straight up breaking through the ceiling with zero resistance. This is exactly why the volume engine is my go-to. The tape doesn't lie, the order flow is pure heat, and it's all green candles as far as you can see. We aren't just trending, we're entering a God candle phase. If you aren't watching the on-chain pulse of this project, you're essentially fading the biggest move of the week. The liquidity is deep, the tape is flying, and the momentum is total all gas, no brakes energy. We're in full send mode. We're at the finish line, so let's lock in. $1 million mark hit. $36,000 in liquidity ready to go. We're at tokenclub.fun. It's time to pack the bags with thousands of dollars. Open the liquidity manager. Just wait a second while our pool ID will appear. Drag it to 100%, smash confirm, and grab your soul. Approve the wallet pop-up. Simple as that. Liquidity is gone. Check the wallet. $34,000 profit in 1 hour, 432 soul. That's a 500 times bag secured. Don't be the one watching from the sidelines. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and stay ready. We're out here hunting for the next moonshot.